everyone. This is our full stack project of course CICD and Cloud DevOps. Our project is on library management system. This is our login page and this is our sign up page. We designed this application with role-based authentication where roles are student, librarian and admin. These are the three roles we have synchronized in this application, and these are the values that we need to register. And we also did JWT authentication for this project. Change it and show you. For student role, this is register button. The registration will be successful, and then if I click on the same register, I can just log in into the system. This is our login page. This is our dashboard overview. This dashboard is common for all roles, and at the sidebar we have dashboard, books, categories, borrow records, reviews, reservation, feedback, profile. These are the values we have in the sidebar. And coming to book section, in this section we can edit or delete any books we need in this category or section. Here we did this with CRUD operations too. For example, if I want to add a book here, we can also select the status if it is available or borrowed, and we can just add the new book will be added here. If you want, I can also delete this book whenever I want to do. These are all done through CRUD operation, and according to these categories also we can filter easily. Then coming to category section, we have different categories of computer science, mathematics. If you want, we can add more categories too. Coming to borrow section, here we have different filters also according to the list provided here. If I want to categorize only returned, you have to click here return, then borrowed, then overdue, everything. If I want to add a record also, I can add record according to date also. It will be displayed here. If I want to add a record, and borrow date, return date. If I want to borrow or returned or overdue, the status also will be sync. And this is the thing that is that I clicked just now. And this again, I can also categorize this. Again, if I click on borrowed, I got the same book that I added just now. Then again, coming to reviews also, we can add new reviews too. If I want to cancel or add review, I can do that. All the reviews of different users will be displayed here. Then coming to reservation section, where different users reserve different things. So those all will be displayed here. Next, coming to feedback section, we did this page with microservices of feedback. If I give any feedback here, the registered email will get the um, email of successfully submitted your feedback. The context will be sent there. I'll show you the same. Then if I want to give feedback, submit feed. Here the feedback is submitted successfully. Once if I also check in my Outlook also, it will be coming. Then coming to profile section, here we have the profile of the role that is the role that they have registered and everything. This is our library management system. And coming to our tech stack, for front end we used White plus React, and for back end we used Spring Boot, whereas for microservice of feedback also we used Spring Boot, and for database we used MySQL. coming to MySQL, these are the tables that we have in MySQL. The table name we use for this is LMS underscore DB is the table name for our application. And this is our tables. We have books, borrow records, categories, feedback, reservation, review, users. If I want to see the registered users, all will be displayed here. These are the different users that we use till now. Then coming to feedback, also it will be displayed. Different people have received feedback, everything. Whoever gave feedback, all the list will be displayed here. This is our um, database. And for coming to the deployment, we deployed this in Docker, Kubernetes, and Ansible. This application I am showing you through Docker. And for Docker, we have also created the images, 4 images. Those are front end one, feedback service is the microservice, back end one, and MySQL. These are the 4 containers we created. For each container, we also have port number so that we can open it directly. This is our library management system deployment. Thank you.